Just lost $200 gambling. Told these dudes not to gamble, that they were gonna lose their money. The dealer is rigged. Didn't listen to me, and they lost their money. On another note, we're on the same cruise as Philip DeFranco. Pretty cool dude. We're best friends, so I'm gonna tag him down below. So my friend Caitlin got me some Amish friendship bread mix. There's a process to making this. I'm currently supposed to be on day 4, which is to just mush whatever's in the bag. Looking at the schedule, after 10 days, I'm supposed to finally bake everything. Until then, it's pretty much just mush it and mix other ingredients in it. I'll try to keep you guys posted on the status of the friendship bread. I might not even be able to make it since I'm going on the cruise next week, but I'll let you guys know.
I just gotta let you know, you led me straight to the fall. I'm broken, I'm still trying to get in both. You left me, you are alone. I hate you, think you show up on my phone. I'm writing a miracle, I'm at a place for what's the point of being tried? You always catch me by surprise. I didn't wanna see the signs.
Absolutely. It is for the vlog. My boy Braxton Fluke, Salt Lake City rapper. Salt Lake City rapper. Good day today, man. Here he is, man. The man of the hour. Man of the hour. Salt Lake City is bumping. Salt Lake City is bumping. Absolutely. You outdoors? Yes. Nighttime is bumping. I'm telling you. Yes. It's the underground stuff that you want to know about. Hit up my boy. My boy Dylan. Wise guys.
Hey, wise guys, you know where to find it. You know where to find it.
Absolutely.
Where to find this man, Friends with Benefits podcast, man.
Here's part 2 of me mixing the mix. Shout out to my best friends, Olivia and Mia. Saw them today. Cool cats. We gotta talk about this, and a lot more. In all seriousness, it was a great day. It was good seeing you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. And to everybody else that's watching, I hope you guys all have a wonderful week as well. I really like June because it's filled with all of my best friends' birthdays. Malachi, happy birthday. I just wanted to say that I love you so much. You are honestly a brother to me. I don't know if I could ever put into words how much you mean to me because we've grown up together for so many years and dude, I don't know what to say, man. I just love you. I'll see you soon. One love always. I almost skipped the bread video today, but I didn't. I just wanted to quickly say that I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Of course.
At the pub, boys and girls. Everybody flex real quick.
Straight up, today's like the best day ever. I got a bunch of new jewelry. Hold on. All right, I'm back. I got this chain that I really like. I got a bunch of bracelets that I really like. And this isn't really jewelry, but I got a bunch of scrunchies just so I can kind of tie my hair up. And then I got 2 new rings. I really like this one right here. And then I also really like this one right here. Oh yeah, and I got this bracelet, which I forgot about it, and I really like it too. Last but not least, I also got new socks. I bought a bunch of socks, and I have a lot more on the way. I'm really happy about that because I haven't gotten new socks in like a year and a half, and all of my old socks are really like frayed and like starting to tear up now. So I really needed new socks, and I'm really happy about it. I'm getting some white socks too, just because I kind of like the white socks a little bit better. I think they look a little cleaner than the black ones now, which is kind of funny because I used to love the black ones way more than the white ones. Anyways, it's a podcast day today. We had a new episode released this morning about surviving a zombie apocalypse. We have 2 main plans, one from Isaac and Malachi, and that's to seize Antelope Island. And then me and Matt decided we would go to the mountains. So check it out and comment on the video whose plan is better, because I genuinely think our plan's so much better. Antelope Island doesn't even have any water around it right now. We're in a drought. I think they would get killed by the zombies. Anyways, check it out. Love you guys. Before I forget, I hope you guys have a lovely day. I'm tired. But I am completely packed. So I'm good to go for the cruise tomorrow. Hopefully I don't have any airline issues like I did with my last trip. I don't think I will because I'm going with Delta this time, but you never know. If I do, you'll hear about it. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week.
Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time. With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. There will be a time. There will be a time. Sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm innocent. Why do I try? 'Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies. When there's so many things that I keep in my mind, I hang around people I don't even like. If they can be happy and walk with a smile, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time.
cruise. Muy bien. What'd you think of the cruise? Another thumbs up. That was super fun.
All right, what's up?
Diego desperately needs a girlfriend.
Yes, he does.
This is accurate.